What's up YouTube, my name is Louis Ning Chong, and today's video is going to be about a Caesar landscape oil painting part 1 out of 8. So it's going to be 8 videos of this painting. I'm going to show you like step by step how I go through the process. And well, the first video, which is this one, is going to be about the drawing stage. And then I got the second one, I think I have like underpainting, and then I have the third one when I paint the sky and the rainbow. And there'll be a fourth one. I guess not gonna be in order. It might be in order, maybe not. But the fourth will most likely be about how I paint that little house. And I do have many houses in this particular painting. I think it was about, I don't know, about 10. But I'm just gonna show you one. And the end of all the series in 8, you get to see all the houses. Right. So it's gonna be, I'm gonna show you how to paint an island. And it's grass and trees, so I'm going to show you that, and also the water. So it'll be 8 videos of this particular series, of this painting. It's a landscape with rainbow on it. Okay. Okay, so let's start the video. And one more thing I gotta say, you should look under the information box, the links to other videos. I'm not gonna have them now, but as weeks pass by, you get to see the other links for the other videos, so you could actually follow them in order. Okay. Now, if you like this video, make a comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and that's it. Let's start. Okay, right here I see what you see. Here's the pencil stage of this painting. It's gonna be a 20 by 30 painting, oil painting. And so I'm going to show you a little bit right here. This is from the background. If you look very closely, we got this little rainbow going on over here. And you see it right here. You go back again, you see some palm trees and a couple of tree houses. This is how it's going to look like, okay? And right here, we have a couple houses. And this is one house from the foreground, okay? Okay, and this over here, there goes the island. So as I pull back a little bit, I'm going to show you how it's going to look like, and something like that. So this is the pencil stage of the oil painting. So well, now the next thing I gotta do now to start the underpainting process in the next video. Okay, so like it, give it a subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you on the next video, which is part 2. Thanks for watching.